Hi, my name is Ty with Dingo Power, and today I was going to take a couple moments just to show you the differences between the OEM Toro track and the aftermarket track for the TX700, the TX1000, and the TX1300 narrow track units. So in front of us, we have the OEM track. This is manufactured for Toro. It has Toro's branding on it. It has Toro part number on it. And behind us, or the back track, is the aftermarket track that we sell on Dingo Power. So both of these tracks, for the most part, perform identically to one another. In our experience being a rental house, we've ran both tracks with significant hours, and we found that basically both tracks last approximately 300 to 400 hours on the machine before failure or before they're just worn out enough that they need replacement. A couple things to notice with the tracks themselves is the aftermarket track has a different wear pattern than the OEM Toro track. You can kind of see the V pattern. We typically see a little better performance out of the aftermarket track when it comes to rideability or just the smoothness of the ride. Also, grabbing terrain, lifting yourself up off of a curb or other objects within a yard. The aftermarket track seems to perform a little bit better than the OEM track. Obviously, the Toro track is significantly more expensive than the aftermarket track, and to date, on our 15 or so machines that we've ran, we find our preference to be the aftermarket track. So hopefully that educates you guys a little bit about the offerings that we have on the website.